Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of repurpose and high-demand eco-art masterpieces that sell by transforming tired furniture. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In a world increasingly shaped by fast consumption and fleeting trends, the art of transforming tired, discarded furniture into repurposed and high-demand eco-art masterpieces has emerged as a creative and economic revolution. This movement is reshaping not only how we design and decorate our homes, but also how we think about sustainability, accessibility, and value. What once might have been considered junk, an old chair with chipped paint, a scratched table, or a faded dresser, has become the raw material for modern innovation. Through creativity, craftsmanship, and eco-conscious design, these forgotten pieces are being reborn as functional art that appeals to a growing market of buyers seeking authenticity and sustainability. Economically, the shift toward furniture flipping and upcycling offers an accessible path for aspiring entrepreneurs, hobbyists, and eco-minded individuals to build income with low startup costs and high creative rewards. One of the most powerful aspects of furniture flipping lies in its economical accessibility. Unlike traditional manufacturing or large-scale furniture production, upcycling tired furniture requires minimal investment. Many of the base materials, old chairs, doors, tables, or cabinets, can be found for free or at minimal cost through thrift stores, garage sales, or even community waste programs. What others view as outdated or broken becomes a blank canvas for transformation. With just a few essential tools, basic repair materials, and imagination, creators can produce one-of-a-kind works of art that rival high-end decor in style and impact. This democratization of design has made woodworking and furniture restoration more inclusive, allowing individuals without formal training or large budgets to participate in an industry once dominated by established brands and manufacturers. The result is a thriving culture of independent makers, small workshops, and online artisans who transform old wood into profitable, sustainable masterpieces. The economic ripple effect of this trend extends far beyond the craftsman's workbench. By reimagining old furniture, creators reduce waste, cut down on the demand for newly harvested materials, and stimulate a secondary market for local resale. It's an approach that aligns perfectly with modern eco-conscious consumer values. Today's buyers are increasingly drawn to pieces with stories, furniture that reflects personality, history, and environmental awareness. A repurposed table made from salvaged oak, or a coffee table designed from reclaimed industrial pallets, carries a charm and authenticity that mass-produced furniture simply cannot match. Each brushstroke, sanding mark, and repainted finish tells a narrative of renewal. And for consumers, purchasing such a piece feels like a contribution to a greater purpose, supporting sustainability, local craftsmanship, and responsible consumption. From an economic standpoint, this growing interest translates into significant business potential. Online platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace have become fertile grounds for makers to showcase and sell their transformed furniture pieces to a global audience. The accessibility of these platforms means that almost anyone can start selling without the burden of traditional retail costs. This accessibility has led to an explosion of micro-businesses, where passion meets profit. Creators are not only earning income, but also building personal brands centered around eco-artistry and conscious living. The affordability of entry-level tools and materials further supports this movement, empowering individuals to explore design and entrepreneurship without taking on financial risks. Even a small, well-executed furniture flip can yield a profit margin that rivals commercial retail pricing, proving that creativity, sustainability, and smart design can be as lucrative as they are fulfilling. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond the immediate financial benefits, repurposing furniture also fosters a cultural and emotional economy, one that values meaning and craftsmanship over mere utility. Every restored item carries emotional resonance. It's a reminder that beauty doesn't always begin with something new. The imperfections, wear marks, and aged textures of reclaimed furniture become part of its character, connecting makers and buyers alike to the broader story of renewal. This emotional authenticity enhances the item's perceived value, allowing artisans to command higher prices while offering customers something deeply personal. For the modern homeowner, owning repurposed furniture isn't just a style choice. It's an ethical and emotional statement about living intentionally, minimizing waste, and cherishing craftsmanship in an age of automation. The environmental and societal impacts of furniture flipping are equally profound. Every repurposed piece diverts materials from landfills, reduces carbon footprints, and promotes a culture of restoration over replacement. At a time when the furniture industry contributes significantly to global deforestation and waste, the rise of eco-art makers represents a sustainable counterbalance. Many artisans now prioritize non-toxic paints, eco-friendly sealants, and reclaimed wood sources, ensuring that each creation aligns with principles of environmental responsibility. This fusion of creativity and conscience resonates strongly with the next generation of buyers, who are more aware and selective about the ecological footprint of their choices. As the movement grows, it inspires communities to reimagine waste, not as something to discard, but as potential waiting to be reborn. What makes this trend even more compelling is how accessible and scalable it is. Furniture flipping requires no factory, no warehouse, and often no formal training. Many successful artisans start in their garages or small home workshops, using simple tools to bring old furniture back to life. What begins as a hobby often evolves into a thriving business. Some makers even find themselves collaborating with interior designers, local boutiques, or eco-friendly brands that value handmade artistry. Social media platforms amplify this success, offering visibility to creative entrepreneurs and connecting them with customers who appreciate originality and sustainability. Through storytelling, before and after visuals, and creative branding, these artisans not only sell products, but also share inspiration, turning their passion projects into meaningful enterprises that redefine modern craftsmanship. Ultimately, the economic and creative significance of transforming tired furniture into eco-art masterpieces lies in its ability to bridge art and entrepreneurship while championing sustainability. It's a movement that challenges the conventional idea that profit and purpose are mutually exclusive. Instead, it proves that the two can thrive together. The accessibility of this craft ensures that anyone, from skilled woodworkers to beginners, can take part in reshaping the modern decor landscape. And as awareness of sustainability continues to grow, so too does the demand for products that tell authentic stories and contribute to a healthier planet. Repurposing old furniture is far more than a trend. It's a statement of values and a celebration of creativity. It's about seeing potential where others see waste, about combining artistry with environmental stewardship, and about turning simple acts of craftsmanship into lasting sources of income and inspiration. As more individuals embrace this movement, the world moves one step closer to a future where design, sustainability, and accessibility coexist in harmony. Transforming tired furniture into high-demand eco-art is not merely about restoration. It's about transformation of materials, of mindsets, and of markets. Through this craft, we rediscover the joy of creation, the wisdom of renewal, and the enduring truth that beauty, purpose, and profit can indeed share the same space. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked repurpose and high-demand eco-art masterpieces that sell by transforming tired furniture. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.